Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, yazi day before yesterday nayizolo ngibone ivideo lapha ku-X ebeyaziwa ngeTwitter kaNhlanhla Lux. Nhlanhla Lux encoma uJulius. Ngayibuka ke le video. Kodwa ngaphinde ngadibana nenye ivideo la engibone khona ukuthi ayi noma ngathi uyamncoma kodwa la ukhombisa ukumdisrespect ngathi akamhloniphi ngendlela akhulume ngayo ngonkosikazi kaJulius. Kodwa ke ngaphambi bangene kulezo zinto ngizoqala sibuyele emuva kancane ukuthi sikhumbuzane ukuthi konje uNhlanhla Lux ubani. Siyazi ukuthi uNhlanhla Lux yena noJulius abazwananga esikhathini eside esedlule ngoba uNhlanhla Lux bekaphusha lento Operation Dudula futhi elwa against ama-foreign, kanti uJulius Malema uyawavikela ama-foreigner futhi wazowasho ukuthi ufuna ngathi le Africa ingaba borderless, Africa nje ingabi nama-border. So ngaleso sizathu laba babili bagcina beclash. Nazi ezinye zezinto ebebezikhuluma.
This is our land. We are not slave. We belong here, and therefore we don't have to prove to anyone through a compass that we belong here. Our blackness, our Africanness makes us to belong here. This is our home. This is our land. That's what the people.
Statement. It's like when people hide behind the word xenophobia. That statement is not fair, because if we are saying you are taking us back into Dompas, who? If we are saying South Africans must carry Dompas, then I'm taking you back. But I'm not taking you back anywhere. We are actually doing what the whole world is doing. When you get to Asia, you right now, you must make sure that you are traveling with your passport. Otherwise, they will take you until you can prove who you are. I've been to China. I've been to many countries across the world, including here in Africa. You best make sure that when the law enforcement stops you, you are able to verify who you are. Otherwise, you're in trouble.
Lana kule video qeda kuyibona uNhlanhla Lux wayisuggest ukuthi abantu mase kufuna bambe bephethe amapasi njengoba benza bona lento edudula bafuna ukukhipha abantu abangama foreigner. Kodwa kuJulius wathi no, ngeke kwenzeke phela, ngeke kusaphathwa amadompasi njengaqala njengoba aduzwake noma kungesekho la kuqale khona ingxabano phakathi kwabo babili. Kodwa ngizokulethela amavideo ahlukene uze ukuthi labantu bebenembono ehlukene futhi abantu engazi mina ukuthi abezwani. Ya umozi ukuthi abantu abezwani uyawuqaphela mase sekukhona oncoma omunye, ngoba phela uncoma umuntu kungesinto errong, kodwa nje phela uyabheka ukuthi ubani oncomayo ufuthi uthini njengoba emncoma umncoma ngoba kwenze njani. Aphinde sicaphune enye video uzozwa nje ukuthi phakathi kwalaba bobabili yini le beyinkinga kangaka.
Staya crutch until we want gold here. We don't want glittering stars. We want real stars. And when you start asking questions, we get crucified on the cross. I'm not allowed to ask. I once asked some guys in the terms we use in townships. I asked comrades, Buffett, can I ask a very simple question? When Julius presents his grandmother as the parent, is his grandmother Mary and he's Jesus? He doesn't have a father or a mother, and we all fall for that. Don't we run a risk of maybe not having understanding who we're dealing with here? Because if I know your mother and father, I don't need to talk to you. I've got a real geographical location of your being, of existence. I understand that. One of the biggest boiling issues in the country is foreigners. And I have plenty information to back up what I'm saying. It's foreigners. And Julius is very emotional and sensitive around borders. If I had graves from my family on the other side of the border, I'd say open those borders because it's important. My graves are on that side. I don't know if you're understanding me.
I'm fully hearing what
but
you're saying.
But I don't want to confuse people. I want them to drown and be intoxicated in their own
I'm not even going to simplify
knowledge.
what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm just taking it.
So I want people to believe what they want to believe, because we are a nation that believes. That's why we're so religious. We're not spirituality is based on fact. Religion is based on faith. So people have faith, and faith yahlupa blind. So I want them to continue with their faith. But la re gopola rona ba bang ha setse ba votetse eZimbabwean as a South African president.
Njengoba umuzwa kuNhlanhla Lux la athi uJulius mayikhuluma ngoma wakhe mayirefera kuma wakhe urefera ukugogo wakhe ezuma wakhe. So akakhulumi ngomama nangobaba. Futhi ubaba kaJulius njengoba engaziwa. uJulius kodwa ke akakufihlanga ukuthi ubaba wakhe akamazi ngoba akazi ambona. Futhi uma wakho mengakutshengisa ngibaba wakho ngeke uzumazi vele. Kodwa ke ukhuluma yena ukuthi uJulius manje ilesima kuso ufana noMaria noJesu kanje. Usho kanjani. Uthi kodwa ke ubungozi balento abantu abangaboni ukuthi kungenzeka ukuba kodwa nje ngoba abantu abakholwa kakhulu nabangazibheki izinto kungenzeka ukuthi ufuna kuvuleka amabhoda kangaka ngoba amangcwaba wakubo namathuna wakubo angale kulamazwe manje akafuni ukuthi kuvaleleka amathuna wabantu bakubo avaleleke ngafuna ukuthi abe neaccess yokuya emathuneni wabantu bakubo. Uyaqhubeka uthi yazi uthule nje uyabuka ngoba egcineni abantu bavotela umuntu oyiZimbabwe ngoba la eSouth Africa uvikela okusho ukuthi uMalema uvikela abantu bokuhamba nje ngoba naye ngokuhamba ilento esho uNhlanhla. Ngizama nje ukukuvezela ukuthi ubani uNhlanhla lo oncoma uJulius kangaka futhi kungani indaba yakhe ibe indaba ekhulunywayo uma ngabe encoma uJulius waphela banconywa abantu insuku zonke kodwa kusindaba ekhulunywayo. Ngizocaphuna uJulius bese siya kula amncoma khona.
Well, you know, guys, there have been people here, small boys who said Malema will be stopped, this shutdown will not happen, will physically stop Malema, will be with the president to stop Malema, and threatening Malema's democratic right. There's never been anyone who said Malema is being threatened with violence. And I'm not worried about you not saying that. Only when Malema starts threatening violence, all of you will be having voices. Some boys film themselves all the time here threatening me. And I can tell you with ease, let any boy come and try to stop me. You'll meet his maker. When he leaves in the morning, he must kiss his mother goodbye. I've got no time for boys. Let him try and stop me on the 20th of March. He will meet his maker. No boy or girl can stop me and can take away my right. They say that every day on social media they film themselves. No one says Malema's right is being threatened. That Malema is being threatened. If my right cannot be defended by the media, by the law enforcement, I've got a legal obligation to defend myself.
Lana ke uMalema ukhulumile isikhathi wayethi organize march yayinge-20 manje la ukhuluma indaba yokuthi ubonile ku social media ngoba uNhlanhla lavela khona athi no bazombopha uMalema kho march ezoba khona. Ngizama njalo ukukuvezela ukuthi laba babili basukaphi kungani futhi kube indaba etrenda kangaka uma kukhulunywa ngokuthi uncoma uJulius. Sizongena ke la mncoma khona uJulius bese siphuma lapho singena la ngicabanga ukuthi mina umdisrespectile kakhulu noma ngathiwa umncoma kanjani kodwa indlela akhulume ngayo kule video engizoyifaka la ukhombisa ukumdisrespecta ngokwami. Ngiyafisa kodwa ukuzwa ukuthi wena ngokwakho ukubona ubona kanjani. Ngicela uzwe la bemncoma khona bese siphuma lapho ke singena kule ngicabanga ukuthi mina bemdisrespecta.
Whether Julius is right or Julius is wrong, what's important is that Julius is young. And young people must be given an opportunity to lead over old people. Because old people continue to take decisions for this country. They continue to take decisions for a future that they will not be a part of. At least if Julius makes a mistake in the position of power, and I'm happy that they've got some form of small power. They are in government in some provinces. I'm happy that we'll be able to hold him accountable in the next 30 years because naturally he should still be around unless there's something catastrophic, such as an accident or a hospital about to be wrong. But people like Julius, guys, they are the young people who then did not chill in the street corners when we were chilling in street corners. I did not personally chill in the street corner, but I'm making myself part of the blame. When young people such as Julius rose and said that not in our lifetime, not while we are here, we rather speak and even risk speaking the wrong thing as long as we're taking the podium and the mic to speak and defend the history, the today and tomorrow of this continent.
Kubantu abazonhlanhla nababonela amavideo lawa engiwafakile noma ngingawafakile wonke. Ukumuzwe ekhuluma kanje ngoJulius kukwenza uzibuza ukuthi ayibo kushintsheni ngoba bona bobabili bengafani futhi uJulius akaza aguquka endabeni yabantu bokufika thi ngisho njalo abangasibabala especially ama-Africans akaza aguquka kwi-statement sakhe na ukuthi ufana kube borderless akaza aguquka. Uyazibuza mawuze umuntu onjengoNhlanhla kusekhuluma ukuthi uJulius ifuneka abe yi-leader ngoba usemncane futhi singathathelwa inqomo ngekusasa abantu abadala abazobe bengekho kulelo kusasa. Kufuneka umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi after 30 years akwazi ukuba accountable for izenzo zakhe. Yinhle kakhulu inkulumo yakhe kodwa ngoba ivela kuye ikwenza uzibuza ukuthi hayibo yini esishintshile yini esingayazi aseyazi manje uNhlanhla noma hayi angingasho lutho asiqhubeke naye.
Because Julius Bafethu is not an idiot. Julius is actually intelligent. Sometimes you also have to accept that perhaps this is not your time. You were born before your time, or you were born in the wrong era where the struggle does not fit like a puzzle. You're probably not the missing puzzle. So you're just going to be another politician, etc., etc. But now we are gonna. If I could, I would join the MK, the EFF, all black political parties. I would make them one thing and make sure that people like Julius are in the center of power, not completely running the show, but he would be in the center of that power because his actions and him being present. Guys, you know being present is very important. Imagine, example, you might not be the best financially, but don't hide from your kids. Just be a present father. A hug to your boy means a lot. Julius was present for all of us when all of us were never present for this country. He said, I'll be that guy. Let them kill me if they must kill me. So we can't undermine these things. And sometimes, as much as some things are personal, we must have the maturity to look beyond the personal issues. But Julius Bantsoe, and if we can, as young people, we must mobilize ourselves, unite as Africans, and those who have displayed serious courage, wisdom, and leadership, Julius being one of them, we must put him at the center of power. But as long as he's not outside in a counter-revolutionary vehicle, he must be here with all of us, and we must do the right thing. And that's it.
Ya uyachaza kodwa ke kokunye akushoyo ngiyavumelana naye. Usmart uJulius. Yabona amakhunywa umuntu ohlakaniphile uJulius. Uhlakaniphe ngempela hayi kancane. Uhlakaniphe ngempela futhi ukukhombisile ukuba yileader ngoba ubuke uhlobo labantu akabaphethe. Yeke ukuthi kukhona ukungaboni ngasolinye ngoba leyo nto leyo nasemndenini esizalwa kuyenza. Kodwa nje mawumbheka ubalalele eParliament bekhuluma balalela bekhuluma phi bayarizina laba abantu bebengeke ke balunga ukuphathwa umuntu nje ongazazi indaba zakhe bengeke ngempela baze bavume kodwa ke manje sesongena kule nkulumo ngithi mina ayi lana uNhlanhla somdisrespectile uJulius kakhulu ngicela uzwe la
Manto smells good. And so generally batho ba tlhapang ka lax ba bangkhamonate. Manto guys smells good. You know, I'll be honest with you. Look, when I say Manto, Julius's wife, loves me, I mean it with all my heart. Please somebody interview Manto and make sure she's relaxed and she's not under siege from Julius. And ask her, and I hope that the heavens and the universe will conspire in her heart's favor and deliver the truth. Guys, Manto loves me. Like, I don't know what else to say to you. Like, you know, when something is pure and simple, it's simple. Let me tell you. Let me give you insight to what I'm saying. and background.
Manto, please, I hope my mates in there.
Yeah. Manto, man. And a Manto of it, a Manto Kipo was our pick. Manto deserves better, not even me. Like, she deserves better. I'm not saying a better person or a better husband.
Yeah.
No, I'm not disrespecting Julius now. Because Manto is a mother, who also now one of them has turned 18. So it's part of, you know, these social spaces. You don't want someone to hear someone speak ill of your mother. But what you must also be fair about is the truth. Manto deserves better, Joe. Manto deserves, like, even perhaps even a better country to live in. Like Manto. Okay, but on a serious note, I went to St. David's Meristinanda. All Manto's kids are at St. David's Meristinanda. So it couldn't have been an inspiration from Julius. so let's
Mhlambe yimo wrong kodwa ke ngicela ukuzwa wena ukuthi ngokubona kwakho uthini. Ngoba umuntu akhuluma ngaye athi uyamthanda unkosikazi kaJulius. Umuntu akhuluma ngaye athi ugeza ngelux unkosikazi kaJulius. Uthi abantwana baka Mantwa benoJulius bafunda esikoleni la bekafunda khona. Lo inspiration ibingakuvele kuJulius. Uthini kahle kahle Nhlanhla Lux la? Hayi le statement sakhe angisizwa. Noma esho yena ukuthi akafuni bese ngathi uyamdisrespecta kodwa kimi hayi umdisrespectile uqedini. Ngonkosikazi kaJulius hayi ngeke. Ngeke noma kuthiwa konjani. Yona umuntu uma khuluma ngomkakho awuyathinteka. So ila ngicabanga khona ukuthi mina cha lana umdisrespectile. Kodwa ke ngifisa ukuzwa umbono wakho ukuthi wena ngokubona kwakho ngabe yimi o wrong noma yena akamdisrespectanga kodwa ngokuzwa kwami angeke ukhulume ngomkamuntu kanje. Lo muntu lo mayizwa lonto le ufuna acabangeni. Lo muntu lo nje makuthiwa uzwa lento ekuthiwa athi uzikhuluma useyazizwa ke funeka acabangeni. Athini uze wazi nokuthi ugeza nangelux ayibo. Hayi angishongo lutho. Ilokho nje bengithi angikwethule namuhla. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.